In this video, I will show you how to insert degree symbol in Microsoft Excel. The most people looking for what is the degree symbol on a laptop on the keyboard, but unfortunately on the degree symbol is not available on the keyboard. So what you have to do is that, for example, I have some cities and here is the temperature, so you can put the degree symbol as well. Press F2 and then press the space bar and then press the alt key, and on the numeric side keypad press 0176 and release the alt key, and here you can see that the degree symbol is inserted. Another way is that go to the search bar on the bottom and here type is character map. On the search bar you have to type degree and click on search. Here you can see that the degree symbol. Select and then click on copy and go to the cell and control V. So here you can see that you can easily insert the degree symbol in Microsoft Excel. If you think the video is helpful, please like the video, comment, share and subscribe. Thank you very much.